फरायगोन सैथोथि 4:10 जिबासारिसिम जिसुनि मुङै फरायगोन। बिसोरनो बेफोरखौ फोरोंदो, नोङो जोहोलाव जानायखाय रावजोंबो उदायै दासानजा, बाथ्रायाव, मावनाय दांनायाव, फोथायनायाव आरो साननाय हनायाव फोथायग्राफोरनि दैखुथि जादों। आं सहैयागौमानि नोङो शास्त्रखौ फरायनानै मानसिफोरनो खोनासंहोनाय, खोन्थानाय आरो फोरोंनायाव गोसो होदो। मण्डलीनि गागिफोर, नोंनि सायाव आखाइ दोननानै नाबिफोरनि बाथ्राजों नोंनो होनाय बोरखौ नोङो आला-हादा दाखालाम। नोंनि दावगानायखौ बयबो मानसिफ्रा नुनो मोननाय बादि नों मोननाय बोरखौ बाहायदो आरो गावखौ बेफोर हाबानि थाखायनो गथायदो। Abisek.
I'm going to read a verse which is taken from the book of 1 Timothy chapter 4 verse 11 to 15. Give them these teachings and these instructions. Do not let anyone look down on you because you are young, but be an example for the believers in your speech, your conduct, your love, faith and purity. Until I come, give your time and efforts to the public reading of the scriptures and to preaching and teaching. Do not neglect the spiritual gift that is in you, which was given to you when the prophets spoke and the elders laid their hands on you. Practice these things and devote yourself to them, in order that your progress may be seen by all. Thank you.